Hi guys, this is open box review and quality check test for 5E resistor set. And this packaging is supposed to have a 30 value and 600 pieces of resistors. Let's open it up to see what's included in the package. Wow, right after the bat, I really like this case. Honest with you, the secret that I purchased this product is not because it's resistor, but mostly because these containers. Container is the reason. Compared with the competitor's product, looks unorganized from the competitor's product. Everything sorted this way. I don't like it. This is the only product on Amazon that offers the resistor or other component in this beautiful cases. I really like it. So if I put the resistor to the breadboard, it has no problem. It's actually stronger than the quarter watts resistor lag. Now let's do the quality check on the resistance value. We start with 10 kilo ohms resistor, and the actual value is 9 kilo and 93 ohms. So it's about a negative 0.7% error. Next one, the 47 kilo ohm, is about a 0.42% errors. It's still very good. I noticed that all the errors is kind of consistent to the lower side, so it's lower than the actual reading. Let's start with 10 kilo ohm, and 10 kilo ohm give the reading about 0.6% error, is still under 1%, and 10 ohms surprisingly give me 0 error. That's accurate resistance value, very good. And 68 ohms resistor, that gives a 7.1, which equivalent to negative 1.3% error, is slightly higher than 1% error. Most of the resistance is lower than 1% error. So really good product. Again, the reason I purchased this one is not because of the resistor, but because the case. Overall, it's very good quality, accurate resist value on the 1%. Sortable case. I really like the product. 5-star from me. This is my review. Thank you.